Hi children, in this session we are going to discuss about difference between T cell and B cell. T cell origin in bone marrow, mature in thymus. T cell, point number 1, origin in bone marrow, and mature in thymus. B cell, origin and mature in bone marrow itself. That is the point number 1. Point number 2. Mature T cells occur inside the lymph node. Imagine this is a lymph node. Right? This is a lymph node. Imagine this is a lymph node. Mature T cell occur inside the lymph node. Lymph node ku ulla irukum mature T cells. Right? What about the B cells? Mature cells occur outside the lymph node. Outside the cortical areas, outside the lymph node. Mature B cells occur outside the lymph node. Yes, point number 3, TCR. T cell as T cell receptors. T cell as T cell receptor. Imagine this is a T cell. Imagine this is a T cell. T cell as T cell receptor. T cell receptor. T cell receptor recognize the antigen presenting cells and kills the foreign antigen. We discussed in the antigen presenting cell video, right? What about the B cell? B cell has B cell receptor. This B cell receptors identify the foreign antigen and start to produce the antibodies. See point number 4. See the point number 4. Recognize viral antigen outside the infected cell. இது viral antigen எங்க recognize பண்ணும் இந்த T cell அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா infected cellக்கு வெளிப்பக்கமா. What about the B cell? B cell recognize the antigen on the surface of the bacteria. பாக்டீரியாவோட சர்ஃபேஸ்லேயே என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆன்டிஜன் இருக்கும். இந்த சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆன்டிஜனை பி செல் ஈஸியாக ரிகக்னைஸ் பண்ணிடும். காட் இட்? பாயிண்ட் நம்பர் 5, T cell long lifespan. They have long lifespan. B cell they have short lifespan. Point number 6, T cell lacks surface antigen but B cell have surface antigen. B cellக்கு மேலே surface antigen இருக்கும். Point number 7, it secretes lymphokine. B cell secretes antibodies. T cell, point number 8, T cell has 3 types: helper T cell, cytotoxic T cell, suppressor T cell. Helper T cell and cytotoxic T cell is very well known. Yes, which we discussed earlier. B cell, point number 8, 2 types: plasma cells, memory cells. Plasma cells only have the capacity to produce antibody and memory cells have the responsibility to recognize secondary immune response. Produces secondary immune response. Right, point number 9, T cell involved in cell mediated immunity. B cell involved in antibody mediated immunity. Point number 10, T cell move to the site of infection. B cell do not move to the site of infection. Infection இருக்க சைட்டுக்கு B cell போகாது. Yes, see the last point, point number 11, defend. T cell defend viruses, protists, fungi which enter the cell. What about the B cell? See the B cell, point number 11, they defend bacteria, viruses in the blood and lymph. It's an important 5 mark children. Thank you children.